If you want to work in a particular language or if you want to change the system language, then what you can do is you can use language options in Microsoft Windows 11. So in order to use language option, you should click on the start menu right here. And once you click on the start menu, you can go around into settings right here. So once you go around into settings, you can go to time and language, then you go to language and region right here. And once you go around over here, you can see that add a language is an option. So let me just click on this, and over here, let me type in the language that I want to add. So in my case, I'm just going to go around, type in Hindi right here. And you can see that Hindi is an option, and you can click on this and click on next to install this out. So here you can see the language feature, and you can also set this as the Windows display language if you want to. So I'm just going to set that on, and I'm going to go around and type in install right here. So now it does take a few minutes to download out the language onto your system and install it onto your system, depending on the internet connection speed and the system speed as well. So I'm just going to go around, fast forward this part. And now language has been installed in my computer. And as soon as that happens, you can see that there's a language option on the bottom right here, which says English right now. But as soon as I click on this, you can see that Hindi is an option as well. If I were to go around and type right now, you can see that I can just type out whatever, and everything gets typed out in English. But if I were to go around and choose Hindi right here, now what happens is that I start typing in Hindi keyboard layout right here, as you can see. If I were to go around into start menu, you can see that some of the icons have been set to Hindi language right here. So if you want this to completely be in Hindi language, you have to sign out first. So now what I'm simply going to do is I'm going to sign out and sign in onto the computer. And now I have signed out and signed in my account. And now if you were to go around into start menu, you can see everything is in Hindi language, the language that I actually chose around. So if I were to go around into File Explorer right here, you can see that everything over here on the left side as well is in Hindi language, just like this. So you can see that whatever app you open right here, you can see the Hindi language as long as it is supported right here. So that is how you can work around with language settings and then change out the entire system language, or then choose a language and then type in that language inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.